Michelle Emma Wakwaba at the LSD Studios. And training day number 3. I was Adakwajachi, in the Aneko PM. I was Adakwajachi, wa Bana Kumasi Asante Kotoko Timno. Training. I was Adakwajachi. Make us say videos, no, a bit good. The copy one, you whom 19 will be your honor. You whom Bernard Somwa, you whom Michael Che Jamina. You who Victor Asamoah, yes, Victor Asamoah Brante na wadinity, which but wadai soon gold. I don't know I can say, on the Kumasa and Tiko to bear trust, you who know training. After you who Emmanuel entry, you who Sauka Dauda, formerly of Wakwata no Sue you pebre. I who a lot, you who maintain the donor, I would training grounds were bra. Now, I'm more prepared to know for the forthcoming season of Kumasa and Tiko to. I hope you some bet Magic League, you know. I see on my battery so. Now, after training session, of course, we are Dakojachi, a book plea. Ashanti Regional Circus Chairman, Chairman Lex, and then if you Komoka cry for a team so far so good. Players are more banner, fans no sign no musum. Amoka Omusui, at the chair of Primsua, I took a course, and I was 82. Omusugu now some more quality. And also edgy omusu nutum and also more quality. It is somebody now the two that after quality players are mobile Kumasa Santi Kotoko. Chama Alex HHM na say another two the young Chairman Alex and Sama or the two that were very copy more at Dakwajachi and I say AJ Sports Complex. Baby a team Kumasa Santi Kotoko prepare ahead of the forthcoming season. But then the Andrews Shamatin, I'm not running a video here, and I say your videos be a behavior, or be like it, no one comment it, no one subscribing to the channel, or subscribe here, no one hit on the notification bell, send a bear anytime they ever drop a video, no, you'll be among the first people to watch our video. Young co, and some Chairman Alex at the two. I'm from LSD Studio. Chairman. Season no akwawe no se na da bia e ka no e players ni bi ko bia ba so far so good training na obehwe players ahofo no ba no mo ne mbot se energy kasiam who players and energy was training ka no ba me support start me hu se there are changes so what I say energy training na course no e bomb pa say the ehunu glimpses style ehunu you do say about season proper now doing the same glimpses even better than we are seeing today the energy kasiam Chama goalkeeper no Kamara goalkeeper say hu mo wi ase amoso e wasa no aya ball ne kofo ma mo ntimi fa as we dey ye hu penalty bi a awuche boy na nam from pa so keeper ne timi ye kotoko dey say ta de panko na dey si dey say dey din ka she buto Ghana ha nti ye na din ka dey bi obi ye luck ni aye o say ka say ye scope na dey players no na obi ani. What I say, even the foreign players but on of high quality. We went out for the quality and we had it. Chama Monday na mo debatu ya nimse enche and I said this week coach ever back. It's the next one who bisenka semi ko anko ba wa ha. Da ben na coach ba. Essential for go by our write up. Specifically I'm not I said this week. Okay. And then when this week. A chapter this week. Friday this game started this week. Until there, young people have said week will be calling. Yes, this week. Yeah, mom was specific date. The day I'm not mom la, we shall coach. Fans no, na must more quality. So far, mama bane there, we are of high quality. Minimum kwa Emmanuel entry. We are high quality and then who Victor Asamoah. Agura we Dino Park ni many aso. Fans no, bobo atom yem. Papa. It's about to we like measure there. They say high quality. I will say so attendance should be high. It should be on a high note. What I say, say perhaps the photo I made there. Yes, so what's it? You do attendance ban high. You don't see a double security. What I say, just someone can find the permanent there. Was it so the penny but attending our home matches. Not got a column penny schedule. I don't know. And she say, "Ben, I'm away." And they are to us in a season starts here, and yes, a season trip. Kotoko Bobo now be 5,000, 2,000 supporters, and Share supporters more. No, they are two Domodia parks.
We are still planning, and we are not done with our plans. Since this time, they don't know. Adibe is the and come media for you. We are still planning. I'm 16th for match against Mediama. Or the new TNA, we are from maybe properly. Some bar, and she will be our supporters. They do from
media. Yansun Ebo Monema Hoda Hurmamo. And it's na money and come, na yen say. Dance the Biamo Pesamo ye and some about 2 million. The minimum media betting up or arrangement I'll be.
I can't be more. But here is the case. We could have minimum penny for the Mama and settle on the date. Me catch her. I said, I find what I say. For media, there are handle some issues. This time we are. We also have social media handles. The person how come copy information. But the media there, without you, we are not there. Without SOS, we are not there. But the way we be a reporter in some, as I'm to say, cannot twist them. Time is very careful about some of you. Very careful about some of you. But I know we're standing. We have nothing. We have no beef against any media. We are working hand in hand with you. But then, more comportable. I have to be very fast. But as is not pass and Maya, and also pass and Majapadia. One was what is the mission? Timon cancer and Pamphor. Who call budgeting now? Obiano just a negative snap budgeting. There was an Cristiano Ronaldo Kaya, Emma, almost wanted to call Saudi Arabia. Or kind of it was a bitter truth. That's what can no crew. But almost someone cannot be a movie. Intending what to contract. To move in the media for the 100, we are not happy. Some of you, we are not happy at all. Last season, supporters come master do Mokahui. We call mono supporters in table power. Multiple support players, we are fair division, we are sitting with her division. I don't know, Monka say, we have fair division for go and make them big. Not rather than some more kind of negatives of team. And the higher power, just some who manage 100, and then your mamma as Santimaja Padia, and Cosamia and Jamaja Santimaja Padu 2 for Atapadini Kotoko. Second, Koya, who was one better. Yes, Tama Medasa.